This story then took a twist. One of the 4 suspects arrested was a policeman. The 22-year-old police constable is attached to the Specialized Operations Branch. He is facing charges of...
Hello beautiful and amazing people. Guys, in today's video, it's a reaction video, a commentary about 3 main topics here. But the main story of the video is the officer who was caught stealing goats. That one, we are going to see the reaction of the Jamaican people. What did they have to say? What are they saying? I mean, that will be our main story. Another one, we are going to talk about this particular person who was actually taking water to Westmoreland to help those who have been affected the most, but then he was stopped, he was fined, and it has brought out a lot of controversy. Number 3, we are going to talk about Jamaicans who are still complaining about how slow the government is in terms of assisting them after Hurricane Melissa. So let's watch these videos and then we come back and do more analysis.
A police constable is back in custody after attempting to escape arrest in Clarendon on Sunday morning, moments after he was reportedly caught stealing goats. The officer has been identified as 22-year-old Anthony L. Mackenzie, assigned to the Specialized Operations Branch. Reports are that Mackenzie was first apprehended and then transported to his home in Rectory Land, May Pen, where police intended to conduct a search. However, during the process, he jumped through a window in an effort to flee. He was later recaptured and remains in custody as investigations continue. Tap the link in our bio for the full story.
Look at this shame and disgrace. Eh? Can you imagine this shame and disgrace? A person who is supposed to serve and protect is caught stealing goat with teenagers. What is this? What can go? You see, when people say them not trust police, this is a perfect example. This is a perfect example of what some of these person who is supposed to serve and protect is doing. And it's a shame. I'm really embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed about this, man. Oh God, man. Eh? You all include teenager in your thieving spree? Listen, I hope they lock him up and dash when key. I hope they lock him up and just for teach him a lesson. Say, hey, I miss shame, but hey.
Policeman, we then catch a thief go to Clarendon. Wanna know one thing. I will say to the police them where wall you in the car with the thief in goat them. I know where you tell them. If I secure the goat them or I kidnap the man and kidnap you too with the goat them. You see it, cause we in a 3 o'clock then catch you with 3 more other man in a car with the people then goat.
Tell me why police officer gone thief goat. Me want to know what Jamaica come to when even the law man, the man is supposed to maintain the law, them do the crime, a thief, goat. I've quote of all things, my father. At times you can't take a money to pay and buy 1 5 goat and if you thief it. Why you not pay the man them better say the man them not for thief? Why the man them gone thief goat? That means that the man not gonna pay. The man at 22, that means the man just start life and the man a thief goat as a police officer. The man also carries only good juvenile with him, the youngest one, a 17-year-old, for the operation. They find a illegal weapon in the car, right? That simply means that a man in the car get charged for illegal possession of firearm, 15 years and then they're rotted. Them are thieves, so I don't mind, I don't like thief and fear. But, just safe, only if you do better, man. Pay the man them better. Only make the man them go and thief goat, daddy. To try to make up for them bills them. No, man, just safe, do better than that, man. You no can't tell me so pay the man then good, or the man a thief good. Something wrong there, so. Just safe and if you pay workers then better.
Imagine driving at 3 a.m. down a desolate road and you hear meh, meh in the back of your car. Is that coincidence or somebody put it there while you were watching them put it in the back of the vehicle? Policeman, 2 teens among 4 arrested for stealing goats. Imagine you're a goat. Survive a category 5 hurricane and you have your goat there. You just imagine the amount of time it takes to raise an animal. You have to get up early, whether they're in pens, you feed them, or if, like most Jamaicans who don't have a pen, they get up early in the morning, probably 5:30, thereabout, to carry them goat to pastures, and them have to do whatever they have to do in a day and make sure so them reach home before night to carry them goat. And you, unscrupulous criminal element, decided that, hey, that goat is ripe for the picking. So you, in the dead of night, you decided that, hey, I have criminal intent enough to go and pick up the people them goat and put them in the back of your car for them go, meh. Officers, lock them up and throw away key, man.
This morning, I listen nationwide. I hear George Davis, I read one news where I say, police, them lock him up for thief goat. Police, really? Lock him up for thief goat. They must stop the car and find 3 goats in the car and upon further search them find an illegal firearm and things like that. Them came go station, him and the other rest of them, him jump through window, try to take away himself and them grab him and lock him up. See, I think them say what 22-year-old or somewhere there, either 22 or 20-year-old or 21. Yeah, me stand corrected on that and him age. Seeing is a young youth. But me everybody attack for a man and I say, oh, them should I do background check. So me I say to people, say, yo, background check. See, cannot reveal nothing because remember, he maybe never get charged before he was a police. Nobody never did report him before he was a police. So him name one of them had nothing to do with police as a bad person. You understand? So them can go do all of that and him name not show up as no bad person. You see me? So, enough people are saying way about member. All of we are civilian before we are police and all we do is to do things before them are police. So you can't too blame the force. And you know, I mean, I want the people them take that one police here and try crucify or fry all of the rest of police them say them a thief. You hear me I say? We don't do that. But you know, it's just shocking for hear a policeman a thief goat. Although at Christmas now and you know it's a local goat expensive more than even mountain. So you don't know a thing go. Jamaican TV, I'm out.
People, I don't want to know where the squad in here with the wall with the goat at Clarendon in after 2 in the morning. In name Constable Meme. Constable Meme. And you want to hear what him say when they hold him with the goat them? The dog I say I'm grandmother goat them. You see it, so he name Officer Meme and he must say I'm grandmother goat them in 2 o'clock in the morning when the police and hold him with the goat them.
My people, what a disgrace. 4 man plus 2 teenager alongside a policeman held in the wee hours of morning a Clarendon a thief goat, held with goat. And what kind of disgrace them here? They not tired of shame Jamaica? No, sir. Them a police not tired of shame the force? No, sir. But they said enough of police them down there in a criminal level, you know? Enough of them a criminal and I think a joke. Them is among the criminal working with the criminals. Police, they in a company of people where a thief goat. Eh? Police got thief goat too? No, sir. Judge of God, what could have caused this? No, sir. Mighty God, Jamaica need deliverance. No. Never take bad things make joking at people. Lord God. And I glean on my seed. Me say, no, sir. The police gang thief goat. And then get arrested. Jesus Christ. Such a shame upon the police force. All in going to jail and now we even got in the ball and now got beat out in daylight in them house if thief the people them goat. How are they writing that? Where's the customer them the man and like police? Me have to take bad things make laugh. No, sir. But it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. Policeman at work and I get him monthly little check. He might not much, but he get paid. Or you reach a goat thief in officer? How you reach a goat thief in? What a disgrace. Mighty God. No, sir. What a disgrace to see your fellow cronies, them have to come put handcuff by you. Mighty God of Daniel, no sir. Go thief. Christmas a come and say, okay. Christmas a come, them a time me at the year them thief kettles like crazy. Them thief your pig, your cow, your goat, anything them catch. All your dog them with thief too. No sir. This is serious. What a disgrace. No sir. Officers don't need to do better. Stop go out there, go among the criminals. Them are not supposed to look for criminals. We're not supposed to look for criminals. We're not lick head with criminals. It's a disgrace. No, sir. You don't hear me a laugh, but trust me, it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. For Sisse, the JCF officer among criminals gone thief goat in a Clarendon. No, sir. Then lucky them come out alive, you know. Then lucky them come out alive. Teenagers in there too. Mighty God. Tell us enough of them police and enough of them in a wrongdoing, you know. Enough of them are criminal. Enough of them are uphold with the criminal. Them turn to work with the criminal. Them and analyze people at Jamaica. And rob people at Jamaica. Enough of them. It's sad to say, but it's the truth. Mighty God, it's a disgrace and a shame. And the JCF, no sir.
Boy people, a Jamaican police constable have been arrested for prayed and larceny. Police the Jamaica thief goat. Goat. Police. JCF. Them was supposed to fear help. Lock up thief. For thief goat. Police are the thief you know. This is why when I see police dead down at Jamaica, the people have come going like I say, Ray, you know. Because for them are criminal, them are thief, rapist too. And I walk and sell gunshot and sell gun. So what them are contract killer. Eh? So Andrew Wallace, I'm always strong. We didn't pay police down here. I walk one. How police are thief goat now? Goat. The blood clot. So I'm lock up a police officer with 4 other men, or 3 other men. For gun, pray the larceny, and robbery. Blood clot, boy, this a look good. JCF constable been arrested for goat thieving. Ah boy, Jamaica, it don't look good. That means a long time police there Jamaica they walk and thief people blood clot, goat and cow. And then something they say. So when the people them as about them cow gone missing, them goat them gone missing, a police a do it. And only black pocket boy a walk a thief goat. Police a thief goat too man. Why them say Jamaica is not a real place. Police a Jamaica a walk a thief goat. Blood clot. Bombo clot. No sir. Goat thief, eh? A walker thief goat. You a work for the blood clot government, you know. You are social, what you call them, social service worker. No, I'm not social. Civil. Them a civil worker. Civil service worker. And you a thief goat. A prank. A Christmas prank. Bumbo clot. Lord glad JCF constable been arrested for pray the larceny to pussy clot, eh? Yeah man, that's why I name pray the larceny. Man with thief people ground, crops and them something, and people thief animal. Name pray the larceny name. Police a thief go to Jamaica.
This cannot be true. It must be replaced, believe it or not. This morning, 3:35 a.m. Sunday morning, when people should be preparing, steaming down them rice and peas and chicken, getting ready to go to church or do whatever they have to do. Ha! Big operation, Amagan Pass, in a Clarendon. 4 people in a grey pro box. And guess what? One of them is a police. And when them tap the car, 3 goat was in it. God have gracious, now look here now. 22-year-old constable just trying to force her that day. No, this is not real. This is not real. I wonder if I set him, pull on there. And who want get rid of this youth? Three want just a stripe. Young constable. Shh. I wonder if you know the man that woman don't have racetrack. I don't have veer. No. His parents have got to check him out because this does not look good. But wait, them search a car. And then find appliance, TV, blender, and iron and all thing. How comes? And him try to escape, run. Then back him up and see there now. Him and three other more criminal gone behind the bar just like that. 22-year-old constable. We're not calling him yet. But this does not look good. Why? Who set up this youth to go and thief goat? Bad reputation, bad example to the family, and even himself gone to prison and lose him job just like that. Da! Yeah, look good though. Police caught him thieving goat, 3 days last. And illegal firearm did it too. Oh my God, that grace will sell me.
Breaking news. Policeman helps among 4 men with stolen goat in motor vehicle in Clarendon this morning.
People, me take this thing and say me I carry look water I go give people. And this man run me down up in a road and tap me and give me ticket. Say me operate country. You see there, me van me have a drive. If you carry look water go way a Westmoreland go give people. And me I talk to the man and the man still give me how much $1,000. Look here. Go. One ticket. This dog shit. Sterling.
A Jamaican man reported being stopped and ticketed by the police for transporting water to an affected area in Westmoreland following Hurricane Melissa. The victim stated he was not selling the water or doing anything of that nature. He was still slapped on the wrist with a ticket for trying to help those who are in need.
You see the police I watch. Alright, so this is this police from Cottage Police Station. I want a real dog see me, his name Sterling. I have to want labor right police, you know. Watch it. I don't like I sell water, you know, brother. I sell water, you know. It's a good thing, say. The man go and dig down all my lies if he save me about articulated ban, you know. How the man wicked, you know.
Let us know what's your thoughts in the comment section.
Guys, and the thing is, you know, we know because it's something them free, we give people them any little raggy something. You see me, I say people? And any little thing we got to stick up and give them. How can you contribute them interest? There's a lot of way you can contribute. Guys, we don't want the money. We don't want the money, right? So them interest. If you want to contribute, you can give food items, toiletries, water, whatever you can. Just inbox me.
And I remember some people say they want deodorant and stuff.
Yeah.
Like
any toiletries,
fab, wash,
toilet paper, fab them something there. You overseas them interest, inbox me, please. Them interest, inbox me now, please. If you can send a couple of gifts, would I transfer that and convert it to money actually? Because you overseas the only reason why we're going to ask you for gifts. You get me I say? But we not ask for money, guys. We not ask for money. We don't do like other people that send paper and sell and so. We not ask for money. You get me I say? Most of the people in Cedar, elderly there's the roof is off, Jaja youth. You need assistance or you're there Thornton? Natalia, we are come at Thornton tomorrow. We can promise that, sir?
Yeah, man.
We are coming at Thornton tomorrow. But you need to send me some information. Natalia, you can inbox me? I was sitting there Thornton a while ago, man. Demetrius, just support the live, Demetrius, please.
Thank you so much for watching the videos. It's now my time to say my take. Irene's take is here now. Where should we start from? Let's talk about this guy that decided, you know what, today I'm going to take this water to the people of, to the citizens, not the people, to the citizens of Westmoreland. I'm going to supply them with fresh water because guys understand every day when we come up with what Jamaicans are saying after Hurricane Melissa or aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, most of them are like, the most important thing that we really need apart from housing, food is water. We don't have access to clean water. Some chaos to him and he's fined. But then Jamaicans are like, no. This kind of people that are willing to support our own Jamaicans, they shouldn't be fined. Okay, well, it could be that he didn't have the green number plate, which is required that, you know, if you are carrying such kind of goods or you are offering such kind of services, this is the type of vehicle you do, and this is the type of number plate that you're supposed to have. Well, I know it should have been like that, but sometimes let's actually look at unprecedented, times. These are times that nobody really thought that it would ever come, and therefore any need that comes in whichever way, as long as it's acquired legally, probably it could be the transportation is the issue. They should have been in a position to understand and not to fine him, because at this moment they are making Jamaicans to be against the government and not with the government. And I remember they are also complaining about the government aid. It's not really coming in faster, it's extremely slow. People are just continuing with their lives. A lot of aid is coming in, but you're not seeing where it's going. We are just hearing that Japan has donated, America has donated, Europe has donated, UK has donated, and we are not really seeing the accountability of, okay, we received $1 million from America, and this is what you have done, and this is how it has actually supported a Jamaican. So that's where the gap comes in, and that is why some few days ago there are these journalists that were really they were fighting for accountability in terms of this aid, because year in year out there is probably an earthquake. Of course, it destroys some few properties, but now aid comes in, but they never see where it goes. They're never accounted for. So this time around, Hurricane Melissa has destroyed so much. Like, it has really affected so many people. You can't believe that is the Jamaica that we always see. Houses have submerged, houses have been totally destroyed. I mean, if you look at Jamaica right now, especially the western part of Jamaica, it's just ruins, nothing else. And guys, they really need help, but then the help is not really coming out very fast, and people are still suffering. And when a Jamaican is like, it's us for us, let's not wait for the government. So if you have anything, just help us. We don't even need the money, just send the items. We're gonna take directly to where it's needed, and I can tell you that will be really, really appreciated. So of course, on this story of this guy that was trying to help the people of Westmoreland get access to clean water, we have not yet heard the other side, the story of police. It's good if we hear both sides of the story, then we can be at a good position to come out and say our take in a very meaningful manner. But now we only have a story of the guy only, not the other side. So can we now talk about the police that was among the 4 thieves that stole 3 goats? Oh my God, who does that? I mean, a whole police who is meant to protect and serve his country, and then is part of those that are destroying, this part of those that are, imagine being among 2 teenagers. I mean, what kind of a mentor are you? Of course, these people are parents. What kind of a parents are you? Because it has really shocked Jamaicans, it has really shocked the world, and you are seeing how Jamaicans are reacting on this video. It's true, me, I agree with them, like, totally, because a police officer is meant to protect, not to expose, because at this point he's exposing the country to thieves, is exposing the country to criminality. And I remember, if he has been identified, this, okay, it's the goats that exposed him. I know that there are several other crimes that he has assisted these criminals in, participating instead of preventing. Is among those, I probably believe that is among these rogue officers who hire their guns to gang members. And it's not really, it's really a bad picture. I don't even know if he will survive this week, because I'm sure, like, okay, of course it will depend with the connection also, but I'm sure he's just supposed to be interdicted or something like that. They do an investigation, but it's not a good example to the citizens of Jamaica. I can tell you that thing is so bad, because I am depending on you for my security, and you are participating in the insecurities. I mean, which kind of life is that? Jamaicans are furious, Jamaicans are sad, Jamaicans are angry. And remember, at this point, the trust between a Jamaican citizen and the police is gone, because this guy, by just being identified as a constable officer, he has exposed how the Jamaican police security organization is like. He's not the first one, he will not be the first, the last one. And of course, when the trust is gone, then there is nothing else you can tell the people of Jamaica. So it's a very sad situation, it's a very delicate situation. And from a day ago henceforth, I mean, normally people will just hear stories of, I heard police are among these people that are involved in criminal activities. It has been a matter of I heard, but this particular incident confirmed. What can you say? What can you do? I can't wait to hear the Minister of Defense and security in Jamaica talking about this issue. I want to know what is his take on one of his staff being found stealing and participating in such kind of activities. It's like he was promoting. I mean, at 3:40 a.m., people are dead asleep, and then you're there. And again, it's his colleagues that flagged down the vehicle. And of course, that was a setup. And that means that he had been warned like severally. By the time he's flagged and, being set up, because that's a setup also. How did the police know that, this particular Probox car will be carrying? I mean, how would they have suspected if they weren't like hinted and set up, Anyway, thank you so much. If you watched the video up to this point, I appreciate your presence, by the way. Thank you for subscribing. I really love you to the moon and back.